Anna is a big fan of her bouncy seat. Isn't that right, honey? Hi, yeah. Yeah, we like the bouncy seat. We like the bouncy seat, yeah. Kick, kick. What are you doing, Anna? You kicking in your bouncy seat? Yeah, punch the elephant. Punch it. What you doing, Anna? Aw. You're getting so big, aren't you? And you show that elephant who's boss. You show both of them who's boss. Ah. What you doing? Anna. Okay. Say goodbye to everybody. Bye-bye.